guys, welcome to Suds and Flickers, and today I will be making my roundy bath bombs today. And just to bring you guys up to speed, I just have to talk about this a little bit, not too much, about the George Floyd situation and all the protesting and stuff like that. And we still are dealing with the COVID virus. You know, there's still new cases and such things. In regards to the George Floyd, I am going to say good for the world for taking a stand, and for all the people throughout the world who is acknowledging that we do need to change and we need to do better as human beings, because this has been going on for so long. I think it's become the norm, and it's not the norm. There's so many other isms that need to be addressed. I've seen so many crime videos, so many things that I see on YouTube. And this, it's sad to say that what happened to this guy didn't shock me, because I've seen so many videos like this throughout the United States. Okay, I'm in Canada, and I get to view videos, a lot of YouTube videos. I've seen stuff that I think need to also be talked about, like the transgenders in the community, in their own community. I watched some videos last year and all the years, 2 years, within 2 years span. That's a lot of people that lost their life because they're transgender, and it's mainly people of color, Afrocentric Americans and Latinos. That too need to be put in there, and it needs to be addressed. And women are dying at such a high rate. It needs to be addressed too. These things need to change. We need changes in all these areas. Children are being we need to take the same kind of energy that we're giving to this George Floyd case. We need that same energy for all the other causes out there, especially for children in sex trafficking. This is happening throughout North America, in Canada, in the US, in the UK, in places we think these things are or couldn't possibly be happening, but it is happening. And everything needs to be looked at, at the same level. I think, for us to have a better world, we need to do better. Okay, so I'm going to be making 3 colors today, and it's going to be blue, or Serafina colors, cobalt blue, real teal, and I think purple. I think these are the colors I'm going for. So let me get everything measured and mixed up, and I will bring you guys back. I'm using a recipe that I have on my website, and my website is always in the comment section, the description section of the video. And this is my recipe that I'm using today is from the site, and the only thing I'll be doing is adding about 1 gram of SLSA to 2 grams to my bath bombs. Okay, so I'm gonna get ready and I'll bring you back. Alright, so I got my teal dye. I'm not going to I'm gonna add the powder directly to my batch. And this is terrible what I'm doing because and I use generally 2 spritz and mix. Spritz it and mix it. color is going to be purple. I forgot to turn on the, I forgot to turn on this camera. Alright, silly me. As you see, the other bath bomb that I did, it was way too wet. So I'm not going to put my citric acid in yet. I'm going to separate everything, and I'm going to just add my dye like I did and do the water thing. But I'm not going to add the citric acid until it's at the consistency of wetness that I want it, because I can spray as much water as I can and just let it dry out and then add the citric acid. Okay, so this is what I'm gonna do. I'm using red 28 Serafina color, and I'm gonna go ahead and spritz that. I'm gonna get 2 color out of this. Okay, so I want this to be pinky winky, and then I'm going to separate this and add yellow, because I want a peach and a pink. I may have to add some magenta to this to get it more pink. Okay, so I'm gonna put a tad bit of yellow in this. Not a whole lot, just a tiny bit. Now look at my lovely green that I finally got. This is, let me see what color this is. This is Planet X, the fluorescent yellow green, a bit of Yellow Lake, a bit of Serafina's cobalt blue. Yeah, I think that's it.